I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update iOS and verify iCloud Calendar is on, because sync issues often stem from outdated software or disabled services. Once done, open Settings and check Storage and Apple ID sign-in. Make sure iCloud has Calendar enabled. Next, force close the Calendar app and relaunch it. This clears transient glitches. If sync still lags, toggle airplane mode for 5 seconds then off, or restart your iPhone to refresh network and background processes. Now focus on accounts and sync behavior because calendars come from multiple sources. Go to Settings, Calendar Accounts, and inspect each account. Select the one misbehaving and toggle calendars off then on, or remove and re-add the account to reset credentials. Make sure Fetch is set to automatic or a frequent interval so new events arrive promptly. Once re-added, open Calendar, pull down to refresh, and watch for the account's calendars to reappear. This confirms successful resync and permission alignment. Finish by ensuring settings align with reliable behavior. Verify time zone support, default calendar, and alert settings so events show correctly. If problems persist, temporarily turn iCloud Calendar off, keep data on iPhone, then enable it again to rebuild the local cache. Also visit the calendar's web interface, Google, Exchange, to confirm events exist on the server. If they do, force a full resync from the account settings. If nothing helps, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in as a last resort to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.